Hi little Montfortians. Today we're going to learn a new Vyanjan on page number 23. So open your book and let us start. This is Vyanjan Tha. This is Vyanjan Tha. Tha, Thatera, Tha, Thela, Tha, Thug, Tha, Thappa. Once again, Tha, Thatera, Tha, Thela, Tha, Thug, Tha, Thappa. Now open your Hindi notebook and mention today's date on your left hand side and grade task on your right hand side. This is Vyanjan Tha. This is Vyanjan Tha. Tha, Thappa. Dear kids, we write down Tha in the middle three lines. 1, 2 and 3. So what is our first step? Our first step is to make one small standing line. Keep your pencil on the first blue line and make one small standing line this way. You will not touch it to the middle line. Now our second step is to make one standing line, and after that we are going to make one circle shape and touch it again to the standing line. Let us write. Keep your pencil on the first blue line, make one small standing line. After that, keep your pencil here and make one circle shape. Touch the bottom line, okay, while making the circle this way. Like this. Our third step is to again make one small standing line and then make one circle shape and come back again to the standing line. After that, at the end, we will make one sleeping line at the top. Let us do. Keep your pencil on your first blue line, make one small standing line this way. Now make circle. As I told you, touch the bottom line, go up and again touch the standing line. After that, at the end, we will make one sleeping line at the top. It makes Tha. It makes Tha. Tha, Thappa. Let us practice Tha on the dots. Keep your pencil on the dot, make one small standing line. Okay, and after that, make one circle shape, touch the bottom line and again go back to the standing line. Then at the top make one sleeping line this way. It makes Tha. Once again, keep your pencil on the dot, make one small standing line like this. Now keep your pencil here, make one circle, touch the bottom line while making the circle, and then one sleeping line at the top. It makes Tha. One more time, keep your pencil on the dot, make a small standing line and then continue making a circle, touch the bottom line, continue, go to the standing line and then one sleeping line at the top. It makes Tha. Okay, let us write on some more dots. Keep your pencil on the dot, make one small standing line. After that, make a circle, touch the bottom line and then continue and touch the standing line. And at the top, you will have to make one sleeping line. Once again, make one small standing line like this. Okay, and after that, one circle shape this way. And while making the circle, always touch the bottom line. And at the top, make one sleeping line this way. And let us write one more time. One small standing line. Okay, then one circle, touch the bottom line, continue making a circle, go near to the standing line this way. And at the top, make one sleeping line. It makes Tha. It makes Tha. This is Vyanjan Tha. Tha, Thappa. Tha, Thatera. Tha, Thela. Tha, Thug. Now practice this in your book and notebook. Thank you and have a nice day.